going so far?
It's been an absolute cracker, and it's pretty lucky that the rain has held off for the last little bit.
Especially that it's held out for us as well. So, as you may know, Kane Blackman is a Commission Secretary from the Insurance Commission WA, proud sponsor of the Belts Up campaign. So look, tell us about the partnership that you have with Football West.
So this is the second year of the partnership. You'll notice these red banners around the field and the Belt Up balls being played today. It's a simple message. It's about wearing a seatbelt on the road. Unfortunately, every year about 70 people die or are seriously injured because they're not wearing seatbelts. And it's tragic that this still happens in this day and age. And this message is about wearing a seatbelt when you're out on the road, when you leave the game today, and hopefully that can save you from serious injuries in a car crash.
Look, and tell us why you've partnered with Football West and football in WA.
Well, football is the fifth code that we've partnered with. We're also with rugby and netball and football, and we're looking at another one at the moment. It's a great game. It's an international game. It's a very diverse community. It's spread throughout the regions in the country and also in metro areas. And for us, it's just a really great grassroots culture, and it gives us an opportunity to literally put the Belt Up message on the feet of the players and the community.
Speaking of football, of course, we had Manchester United here this weekend. Did you get a chance to go out and see the Red Devils?
No, I'm a City fan, so I stayed clear of that game. But hopefully the City comes out, or my second favourite side, Crystal Palace, comes out next year.
Well, I'm a Liverpool fan, and I wasn't part of the campaign to have that plane fly over, but I was there, absolutely delighted with it as well. Look, you mentioned the Belt Up campaign. So in terms of drivers, who's most at risk in terms of individuals who are being that part of that 70 people?
It's actually the players you see on the field today. That demographic, young males and also males in country areas. It's the demographic that we see most in our insurance claims, and it's why that we do target sports like football. So the 15 to mid-30s age group is the one we see most in our claims, and by wearing a seatbelt, not only do you save yourself from worsened injuries, you also save the Insurance Commission millions of dollars that we pay out in claims cost every year, which has the added benefit for motorists for keeping insurance premiums more affordable.
Well, that's fantastic. So that's not only saving lives, but also saving money in the back end as well.
Absolutely.
Look, in terms of what we can all do, what can we all do, everybody, each individual that's here to improve our safety on the roads?
Exactly what the message says, Belt Up. When you go home today, put your seatbelt on, make sure everyone else in the car has their seatbelt on. There are no excuses in this day and age not to wear a seatbelt, so please belt up.